Okay, now in the same, we are now in session 4, chapter 1, and we are about to complete maybe this session, the Excel one, the spreadsheet. Okay, so just have a look. Okay, now the margin, you can see here, now we are talking about the page layout. So what is the actual work of the page layout? Can anybody tell me? Like in the page layout, actually, the term suggests that it is dealing something with the page. You understand? Yeah. So it is like the you can say the dimensions of the page size, okay, things like that. So like you have paper size A4, A5, A3. Okay, guys. So now in this page layout, you have margins, you have orientation, you have size, you have wait one second. You have size, you have different things like this. So first of all, margins. Do you know what are margins? The area which you leave at the left, at the top, at the bottom, at the right, and in the center you always write. You can see in the image also. Can you see the image? The lines which you draw, and after that you start using. So in Excel also, you have margins. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, okay. Then you have this print area. What do you mean by the print area? A print area is the area like whatever you want to print in the Excel file. So from here you can select that area. Okay? It can be the whole cells, the complete cells, or it can be just some selected cells. Okay, so it depends on that. And similarly, you have print titles here. The print title option, this one. In this print titles option, you can print the titles again and again. For example, you have a list of students in the university. Okay, and then you want to print their names. Okay, so you can give the command print titles. So whenever the names are printed, you will know that the heading will be there. The, the top title will always be there, like student name, ID. Okay, so that is the print. That is the work of print titles. Okay, guys. Now, then you have next one is the formula tab. This one. This is one of the most important part. Here you have the formulas. Like, for example, you want to make a sum. You want to add some numbers. So you will use the formula tab for that. Okay? You have these many type of functions, mathematical functions, trigonometric functions. Okay, are you understanding, guys?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, it's easy, guys. Don't worry, it's easy,
Yes,
and
doctor.
it's easy, guys. Don't worry. Now, one second, just give me one. Okay, guys. Now, just see the screen. Okay, yeah. Now you have the screen. Okay, just see here. You have in the formula tab, this one, you have many types of formulas. Like you have logical formulas, the first type. In the logical formulas, you have the formulas where you have conditions. Like, for example, if I say, if a student gets more than 60%, he will pass. If he gets less than 60%, he will fail. You understand? So this is if condition. If if this is true, this will happen. If this is false, this will happen. Do you understand? These are known as logical functions. So this also we can do using Excel. Then you have text functions. In the text functions, you write the number, you write some alphabets, and then you can change the alphabets to capital letters, small letters. You can calculate the number of characters. Okay, you understand, guys? So the text function gives you that. Then you have math and trigonometry. In the math and trigonometry, you have the mathematics functions, the trigonometrical functions, okay, in which you can make calculations like sum, you know, sum means you can add the numbers. For example, let's say you have numbers from here. You have numbers from here. You have numbers here, okay? Then you have to write from this cell. For example, this is A, B, C, D, and E. So these are the cell numbers. This, you will start with the cell numbers. So the sum will be is given here. You can see here. Example, sum is equal to sum number 1 to number. So wherever you want to add, how many numbers you want to add. For example, you want to add all these numbers. So then it will be sum is equal to, it will be like sum is equal to, then from A1 to E1. You understand, guys? A1 to E1. What is A1 to E1? This is the address of this cell. You know, you remember last time when we saw a picture in the Excel, it was D5. Then I told you this is the address of that cell. So in Excel, wherever you click the particular cell, wherever you are at the current moment, it will show you that number. Are you understanding, guys?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Yeah. So similarly, if you want to do a sum, then what will be calculated? That place where the cell, where the number is written, that number of cell is the important thing. Okay, guys? So for example, you are in a particular cell, for example, A1, the first cell. Then it will be A1 to whatever, E1, G1, wherever you want to finish your calculation to. Okay. Okay. Then you have these things now. Sum. Okay. Now these are basic functions. Average. In the same way, you can calculate the average. Count. Count will give you how many cells are being used. For example, you select from one place to another, so it will count all the cells which are being used. Then you have max and minimum, maximum and minimum. Do you understand, guys? Which is the maximum number, which is the minimum number? Okay. Then you have lower and upper. What is the meaning of lower and upper? In the lower, all the numbers will be small. In the upper, all the numbers will be big. Capital letters, I mean to say. Okay, like this, guys. Don't worry. Now this is quite easy. Let's see if anybody's waiting. Okay, now 1 second. Okay, guys. Now just see here. In Excel, there is also a very important thing, which is known as errors. Okay, you know, sometimes you make, because Excel is concerned with numbers and formulas. Okay, so there can be a lot of chance for you making errors. Okay, so how will we check the errors, that whether there is an error, or how will we know that sometimes you have seen that your computer gives you an error message with a number, with a particular number. Have you seen that anytime? That the syntax error, or maybe they write this error, that error. So you should be knowing that which type of error has been is being shown to you. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes.
Yes, doctor. Yes.
I'm
Yeah,
just telling you types of.
like the 404 on the browser.
Yeah, right, right. Like the 404, which shows you that you don't have internet or something like that, or the web page not available. Also, you can see simply, you can understand, guys, by let's give you an example. For example, you have when you drive a car, okay, and you see your dashboard, okay. In the dashboard, sometimes when you have, for example, you have a lot of things visible on the dashboard, isn't it? But generally, like in normal driving, you don't see all of them. But when you have some problem like the battery error or something like a particular type of error, it shows you that light on. You understand my point?
Yes, we do.
So,
Yes.
so it indicates that this is the problem in your system, in your car. So this right now in Excel, when you have a particular error, it gives you that particular error name with a particular name, like this one. See here, divide by zero. For example, if you divide something by zero, what will happen? You know, it is an error. It will give no answer. Okay, it is infinite. You can say that's not defined, undefined. You can say, okay. So that's something like an error. Then that means if something is like that is happening, it will show you this message. Then you have to change the zero. Means the zero should be replaced by a normal number. It can be any number. Okay, are you getting the point? In the same way, this number, the error, the second one, num. When the formula function contains invalid numeric values, means some numeric values are wrong. For example, this one. It is asking the square root of a minus number. So square root of a minus number is not possible. Okay, it should be a positive number. So that is the name, the num error. Then you have the name error. Name error is the formula is unrecognized. That is syntax error. For example, you need to write sum, but you write SS sum. You make a spelling mistake, and that is not the actual name of that formula. Are you understanding? So that function will not be recalled. So do you understand, students?
Yes. Yes.
For example, you want to open a web page. Okay, let's say, or in Google, you want to open something, and it gives you. Do you mean this? Have you seen that on, anytime in the search? Do you mean this? Like this, some message like that. You must have seen.
Yes, yes.
So what does that show you? That shows that you might have made an error in typing something. So it helps you with a suggestion that maybe you have made an error. Just double check what you want to search. In the same way, this name function will come up when you make, for example, I want to make a sum for some numbers. Okay, so the sum function, the name is sum. But if I write ssum and then I do the bracket and everything correctly, then it will not be executed because the name is wrong. You understand that?
Yes, doctor, we do.
For example, if I call the attendance and if I call a wrong name, will any student respond? If nobody has a name like that. Are you understanding my point, guys? So the
Yes.
name,
Yes.
Yes.
so the name should be called correctly, guys. Okay. Then you have value. This value, I think. Sorry, let me see. Formula or operator is wrong. Okay, this means a formula is put wrong, and sometimes the formula, for example, you are using a math formula, arithmetic, and then you add some alphabets. Okay, for example, you don't have to put words over there, but some words are coming there. Then that error is the value error. Means you are not using the correct value to make that calculation complete. Okay, that is the thing. Now, guys, let's leave this. It's completed. The error checking part is done. Now come to the view tab. Okay, view tab. In the view tab, you have options of freeze panes. Freeze panes means to hold something or to just fix something. For example, let me give you an example. Like, for example, you have students list of 5,000 students, okay? 5,000 students. And then you need to read all the names till the end. You need to put the information. So there are some fields which are common, which will never change, which are at the top, like name of the student, serial number, roll number, ID number, I mean to say, section number, and I need them always. These headings I always need. Okay. Under these, I need the students. So this will be fixed. If I freeze panes, these things will be fixed. Do you understand my point, guys? So whenever I scroll the page, these things, these information will not go. Like the name, ID number, batch number, roll number, city. These are the fields. You understand the meaning of fields? Yes, students, can you listen to me?
We are.
Yes, we can.
Okay, guys. Actually, I couldn't get any reply. Okay, now, guys, are you understanding me? So this, if we need to do something like that, we can use the option of freeze panes. Okay, a very important option when you will do the practical. You can try it yourself. Just open Excel and go to View and Freeze Panes. Okay, it's in the View tab. Freeze Panes, and then just scroll down and see the A, B, whatever you selected will be fixed. Okay, now the workbook security. What is the workbook security, guys? It is a very important thing. It tells you that you can put a password to your Excel file. Okay, so you just go and you go to the, which section will you go, guys? It's in the beginning. 1 second. Okay, go in the file options, then go into security. Okay, in the security you will find this option. Then encrypt with password. That is the option. Then a workbook can be protected. Then you can write a password, put a password, and then save it. Then again, when you open the workbook, it will require a password. Otherwise, it will not open. Are you getting the point, guys? So
Yeah.
this is used
Yes.
for, this is used for the password thing. Okay, now let me just take your attendance, guys. Okay, some students have still not written there. Okay, most of you have written good, your name and ID. Khattab, please write your name and ID. Badr and Hassan, please write your name and ID. That's it, okay? The rest are fine. Abdulaziz, I'm just calling your names, guys, so that you are aware that you are being attended, okay? Abdulaziz Awad, Abdul Mohsin, Abdul Rahman Hazmi, Abdul Rahman Wadani, Abdul Rahman Salama, Ahmed Baktel, Al Walid Al Utawi, Imad Saleh, Faisal Ulian, Faris Mufresh, Khalid Hassan, Khalid Al Fujuhi, Khatab, La Sulaim, Muhammad Abdullah, Alaid, I think you don't have the number. Muhammad Saad, Musa Al Hijji, Saad Al Dosri, Saeed Al Ahmari, Saud Hazazi, and Badr Utaibi. Okay? Is it fine, guys?
Yes, for me.
Have I called everybody's name? Everybody listened his name?
Yes, doctor.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, good. So that you should know that you are being attended. Okay, now, guys, let's open this, the main thing now. Okay. Open your books, guys, on page 76. Can you see my screen? No.
Yeah, we can see your
Yes,
screen.
we can see it.
What can you see now? Okay, you are seeing
The
guys'
Activity.
name.
The
activities.
Okay, the first question. I hope Khalid Al Buteri is joining now. Okay. First question, Dash is the spreadsheet program. Al Walid wants to answer the question. Al Walid Al Utaibi. MashaAllah, before I read the question, Al Walid is ready. Yes, Al Walid.
It's the Microsoft Excel.
Okay, good. MashaAllah, very nice. Let me read the question for you. Is the spreadsheet program that comprises of worksheets used to analyze data and provides an easy way for all types of computations. You know what are you studying? This software is Excel. So the answer is Excel is used for working on worksheets. Al-Walid, good. Okay. Now the second question. Who wants to answer that? And also keep your books ready, guys. Okay, so that you can also see the correct question on your screen. Okay, or your books also, that you can match. Now, yes, somebody wants to answer. I saw hands raised. Attab or who was it? Who was raised in the hand? Somebody was raising right now. Who wants to answer this question? Does anybody want to answer? Or should I do it? Attab Hamad, yes, please, you answer it.
Is it ribbons, right?
Yeah, it's ribbon. Good. Ribbon, you know, the ribbon is like it goes up and down. You have the ribbon display options. Also, you must have seen it in Word also, like I think, guys. You remember? It is in the that option is available in the top right side. Okay. Okay, ribbon is done. So you can write like this, guys. Let me just show you. One is Excel. One is Excel. Sorry. One second. Just rub it. Okay. Now it's fine. One is Excel. Two is ribbon. Okay. Third one. Dash is mainly. I can see some names now. I will give Abdurrahman Al Hazmi. Let's give a chance to all of you one by one, guys.
Yeah, hi.
I'm sorry if I missed anybody's name because I can see 6 names, so I have to just select randomly, guys. Okay. So I'm giving Abdul Rahman Al Hazmi a chance this time. Next time I will give some other guys who are in the list. Yes, Abdul Rahman Al Hazmi.
Yes, the answer for number 3 is a formula bar.
Oh yes, nice, great, mashallah, nice, correct. I can write it there. 3 formula bar. Okay, then fourth one. Who was the answer? Oh, mashallah, I've seen 9 names now. So let's select La Sulaim. La Sulaim.
Yes, assalamu alaikum. For number 4,
Yes, number 4.
freeze panes are used to lock selected rows and columns in place.
Yes, correct. Very correct. 4.
Thank you.
This freeze panes. Okay, now the last one and the only option is left, so that's an easy one. Let's give a chance to Muhammad Abdullah Al-Laifi.
Yes, it's you can protect your Excel workbook with a password to prevent unauthorized users from
correct.
accessing it.
Very good, very good. Okay. So now I have also written the answers. So if anybody has any confusion, you can just match 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay, I have written that. Now, guys, let's move on to the next activity. And guys, I have to make an announcement with you guys today that inshallah, when is your next class? Next class same today, like today, I think Tuesday. Huh?
Yes, next week.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to ask something from you. Do you want a quiz, guys? Because actually we have completed chapter 1. So actually we need to take a quiz. Okay. So just to check do you remember the things we have done? Don't worry, it will be just an very easy quiz. Like it will be having questions from the activities, what you are doing right now. It will be having all the questions like session 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Only the objective activities, nazari, not amali. Okay. Are you understanding my point, guys?
So basically, the activities we have answered.
Yeah, so basically the activities you are doing right now, same thing will be in the quiz. I don't want to make it difficult because if you want something difficult, I can do it. If you want like that, tell me whatever you want. Because I think you guys have a good level. Okay, so mashallah, because there are different levels of students. Some students they have problem in understanding English. Okay, so if the teacher asks something in the middle of the book, then the students might get confused. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So in order to make it's normal standard, generally the questions taken from the activities. Okay. So what do you think? Is it okay? Is it fine for you?
It's fine. I just have a question, Doctor.
Yeah, please.
Where do we answer this quiz? Is there on a website?
Yeah. This quiz will be given to you through the Blackboard. You remember Blackboard?
Yes. Okay.
All of you have a Blackboard login?
Yes, for me at least.
Okay.
So
Actually, we
could you,
yes, please. Yeah.
okay, so if we do a quiz, could you please at least tell us how to access it?
Yeah, sure, definitely. I have to tell that. Otherwise, you can't go to that option. I will tell you. Don't worry about before the quiz. I will tell you everything. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay.
Doctor,
Yes, it's my responsibility to do all that. Yeah.
the
Please.
questions in the quiz are in the activities.
Yeah, they are same like the activities. That's why I'm saying I have made it easy. Don't worry. The same questions you can see here, they will be in the quiz. Okay, nothing new. Is it okay?
Yeah,
I
it's
think
okay. Thank you.
it's too easy, guys. Don't worry. I know.
Yeah.
It's too easy. Don't worry.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is all our quiz is it all going to be on Blackboard?
Yeah, it's all going to be on Blackboard. You're right.
So there is no going to the uni or something.
Right now, nothing like that. But if I get any information, I will tell you. Okay? Maybe in the final exam,
Alright.
maybe in the midterm. You know midterm?
Yes, sir.
See, this is just a quiz.
Yes,
This is
no.
internal marking, internal marking. So here, maybe you don't need, but in the midterms, maybe you will get instructions and you might go to the university. Maybe, I'm not sure. As of now, nothing clear, okay? But,
Hello?
yes? Yes? Anybody asking anything?
Doctor, the quiz is in the next Tuesday or before?
No, not before. How can I have before? Because you don't have a class with me before. Do you have?
No, we don't.
Yeah,
So
so
the-
the quiz will be.
The
You
quiz
want
will
Tuesday?
be,
You want? Yes. What? Pardon?
I'm sorry. The quiz will be in the class.
Yeah, during the class hours, like this.
Okay.
I will say we have a. Generally, we know. You know that the 2 hour time is too much for the class. You know that we can't use that 2 hours. Generally, our session finishes in half an hour, 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Am I right? 1 hour max. So the quiz will be like I will tell you the timing also. Maybe half an hour, and some questions. I will. Don't worry, guys. I just gave you an idea right now. I will explain you. I will message you everything regarding the quiz. How many questions? How many marks? How to do? Okay. But the main thing I've told you, it will be regarding the activities. That is the most important thing for you. So just get prepared with the activity questions 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. Are you understanding, guys? And the other instructions I will give you. Okay. Don't worry right now. You want it on Tuesday or Wednesday, guys? Is Wednesday okay? I think Wednesday is better, guys.
Yeah, Wednesday, please. Make it Wednesday. So if you have any questions, we can ask on Tuesday.
Yeah. Okay, Wednesday, no problem, guys. Next week, anytime. Next week, yeah, like you have two options: Tuesday, Wednesday. Both are your class days. So Wednesday is good because Wednesday I'm also very busy with the. I have a lot of sections on Wednesday, so quiz will be an easy thing. So also, guys, quiz. When we will have a quiz, I think we will not have a class. Is it okay?
Okay, no problem.
That day we can because when generally when you have a quiz, you can't take a class of like another topic, then you start continue with the quiz. Are you getting my point? Because you have to be prepared with your topic. So if I take a class and then take a quiz, then I think it's maybe more for you. Is it? Am I right?
Yeah.
Just give the quiz. That's okay.
If the
Wednesday,
exam is
just
as easy as you say.
no, just
I don't think
on
it's
the
gonna be
Wednesday, just give. No, it will be easy. Don't worry, guys. It will be too easy. Inshallah, you will think that you have not given the exam. You will think that you have just done nothing. Don't worry. It will be easy. Inshallah. Okay. Don't be scared, guys. I know as a student you will be worried that this and that. Many questions will come in your mind because and this quiz will be of let me tell you, it will be of 5 marks in the total. I will tell you everything. Don't worry. Right now, I will just let's finish, guys, this activity. Then we will, inshallah. Don't worry. I will send you all the information regarding this. Okay. Don't worry right now. Just remember quiz on Wednesday and activity 1, 2, 3, 4 session. Okay. Chapter 1 activities. That's it. Now, guys, first question: choose the correct option for the following statement. Dash functions are used to test the condition to evaluate true or false. What is that? Can anybody tell me? 6 hands raised. Hassan Saeed, yes, please. You answer it.
Did I read the question or?
No, just read the answer. I read the question.
All right, logical.
Yes, correct. Logical. Right. Very right. First one. Logic. Second one. Functions are used to manipulate text strings. It includes functions such as char, len, lower, proper, text, upper, etc. What is the answer? Let me ask Faisal Ulian. Yes. Faisal, please.
Yes, it may be D.
1 second. I think some more students have added, so I have to take it in. Okay, that's it done. Now, okay. What is the answer? Lower your head. That's text. C. Let me tell you, that's C, text. Okay, the answer is C, text. Now the third one. These functions perform arithmetic operations, conditional sum, exponents, logarithms, trigonometry. What is that? B, math and trigonometry. Okay, math and trigonometry, guys. Write it. Third, B, 3B. Then you have 4. The function capitalizes first letter of each of the text string and changes the orders lowercase. Proper. Let's ask. Yes, sir. Do you know the answer, Faris?
For which one?
Fourth one.
D, proper.
Yeah, it's proper, correct. Okay, now let's go to the last question. The dash, the functions calculate the number of characters in the string. What is that?
Account.
No, it's len actually.
It's len, yes. When count is used to count the number of, actually the number of cells which are being used. But len is used for number of characters. You understand? For example, your name is Fahad. F-A-H-A-D. How many characters? 5. You understand? So this function is used for counting the characters. So len is the answer, A. You can put it, guys. Okay, guys, I think we have completed our session now. So do you have any questions to ask?
Yes, doctors. I think Saad al-Dosri has told you in chat that he has a mic problem. So he wants you to take his attendance.
Those three.
Yeah, Saad al-Dosri.
Yeah, I have. Okay, no problem. No. I will put him present. Don't worry. It's okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. Any other problems? Because the meeting may be ending very soon. It's already. And I have told you. So we have completed our session, guys. About the quiz Wednesday, inshallah. Any questions? Please ask me. Okay. So right now, don't worry. Just have a nice time because you have holidays. And yeah, Ahmad and Khatab, you want to ask something?
I just answer the question.
Okay, that's it. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any questions, you can leave
Sir.
now. I can see you inshallah
Sir,
on Tuesday.
Sir, did you take my attendance or not?
Yeah, I have taken all the names. I have taken all the attendance. Don't worry. Should I call it again? Once again?
Yeah, if you can. Because my
Okay.
mic wasn't working, so I changed the mic.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Abdurrahman Salama, Faris Mufrish, Faisal Ulian, Imad, Saleh, Ahmed Baktain, Khattab, Al-Walid, Abdulaziz, Abdul Mohsin, Abdurrahman Hazmi, Abdurrahman Wadani, Badr Al-Zaibi, Hassan Saeed, Hazim, Khalid Hassan, Khalid Muteri, Khalid Al-Fujri, Ilasule, Muhammad Abdullah, Muhannas Saad, Hazim Al-Hamadi, Khalid Al-Hassan, Khalid Al-Muteri, Khalid Al-Fujri, Ilasule, Muhammad Al-Laithi, Muhammad Nasad, Musa Haji, Saad Al-Dostri, Saeed Al-Ahmari, Saud Hazazi. Is it okay? I think nobody's left now. Is anybody left?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay, guys, now you can leave. Okay, see you inshallah. Any problems, just message me, okay?
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Okay, welcome guys. Take care. And quiz, I will message you what are the main thing is that you have to take care about the questions. Okay, that's it. Activities. That's it. Okay. I will tell you the marks and the everything regarding the timing of the quiz. Okay.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay. Okay, inshallah, you can leave this.